Welcome. Today, we are comparing two Samsung phones, the Galaxy A36, released in March 2025, and the Galaxy S24 FE, released in September 2024. Both phones have good features but are made for different users. The Galaxy A36 is a newer model with fresh updates, while the Galaxy S24 FE is part of Samsung's popular S series with strong performance. In this video, we will look at their designs, cameras, battery life, and more to help you decide which phone fits your needs. If you want to check the latest prices, you can find Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started and see what makes each phone special. The Samsung Galaxy A36 and Galaxy S24 FE have some noticeable differences in their body design and physical feel. The Galaxy A36 is slightly larger, measuring 162.9 by 78.2 by 7.4 millimeters, and weighs 195 grams, making it a bit lighter and thinner than the S24 FE. The Galaxy S24 FE is a little smaller, at 162 by 77.3 by 8 millimeters, but feels heavier at 213 grams, giving it a more solid and sturdy presence in hand. Both phones have glass fronts and backs with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, but the A36 uses a plastic frame, while the S24 FE has a stronger aluminium frame. Additionally, the A36 is water-resistant with an IP67 rating, while the S24 FE offers better protection with an IP68 rating, meaning it can handle deeper water for a longer time. Overall, the S24 FE feels more premium and durable, while the A36 is lighter and slimmer. The Samsung Galaxy A36 and Galaxy S24 FE both feature 6.7-inch displays with the same resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, resulting in an identical pixel density of approximately 385 ppi. The Galaxy A36 uses a Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and offers impressive brightness levels of 1200 nits in high brightness mode and up to 1900 nits at peak. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 FE boasts a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, also at 120Hz, but adds HDR10+ support for enhanced color and contrast, with peak brightness reaching 1900 nits. Both phones are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, but the S24 FE has a slightly higher screen-to-body ratio of 88.0% compared to 86.5% on the A36. Additionally, the A36 includes an always-on display feature. Overall, the S24 FE offers a more advanced panel with HDR support and better screen integration. The Samsung Galaxy A36 and Galaxy S24 FE differ notably in performance and platform. The Galaxy A36 runs on Android 15 with One UI 7 and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU with 4x 2.4 GHz Cortex-A78 and 4x 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55 cores, paired with an Adreno 710 GPU. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 FE operates on Android 14 with One UI 6.1 and is equipped with the Exynos 2400E chipset. Its 10-core CPU includes a high-performance 3.1 GHz core, multiple mid-range cores up to 2.9 GHz, and efficiency cores at 1.95 GHz, complemented by the Xclipse 940 GPU, while the A36 offers a newer OS version and up to 6 major Android upgrades. The S24 FE provides a more powerful and versatile CPU configuration, a more advanced GPU, and longer software support with 7 major Android upgrades. The Samsung Galaxy A36 and Galaxy S24 FE both do not support memory card expansion, relying solely on internal storage. The Galaxy A36 offers a wider variety of configurations, including 128GB and 256GB storage options, combined with 6GB, 8GB, or even 12GB of RAM. It uses UFS 2.2 storage technology, which provides decent performance for everyday tasks. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 FE comes with fewer RAM options, featuring only 8GB RAM, but offers more extensive storage capacities, ranging from 128GB to 512GB. This makes the S24 FE more suitable for users requiring larger internal storage without external cards. Overall, the Galaxy A36 provides more RAM flexibility, while the Galaxy S24 FE excels in maximum storage capacity, catering to different user needs. The Samsung Galaxy A36 features a triple camera setup with a 50MP wide sensor, f1.8, 1/1.96 PDAF, OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide, f2.2, 123 degrees, and a 5MP macro lens. It supports 4K video at 30fps and 1080p at 30/60fps with gyro EIS stabilization. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers a more advanced triple camera system, including a 50MP wide sensor, f1.8, 1/1.57 dual-pixel PDAF, OIS, an 8MP telephoto lens, f2.4, 3x optical zoom, OIS, and a 12MP ultra-wide, f2.2, 123 degrees. The S24 FE supports high-resolution video recording up to 8K at 30fps, as well as 4K and 1080p at multiple frame rates, providing more versatile shooting options and superior image stabilization. Overall, the S24 FE delivers enhanced camera capabilities and better video performance. The Samsung Galaxy A36 features a 12MP front camera with an f2.2 aperture, capturing wide-angle selfies and supporting video recording at 4K at 30fps and 1080p at 30fps with 10-bit HDR. This setup offers higher resolution still images and enhanced dynamic range for selfies and videos. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has a slightly lower resolution 10MP selfie camera with an f2.4 aperture and 26mm focal length. However, it compensates with a larger sensor size, 1/3.0, and bigger pixel size, 1.22 micrometers, which can improve low-light performance. Additionally, the S24 FE supports 4K video at both 30 and 60 fps, 1080p at 30 and 60 fps, and includes gyro EIS for stabilized video recording. Overall, the A36 offers higher photo resolution, while the S24 FE provides better video versatility and stabilization. The Samsung Galaxy A36 features a larger 5000 mAh battery compared to the 4700 mAh battery in the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, potentially offering longer usage between charges. In terms of charging speed, the Galaxy A36 supports faster wired charging at 45 watts, capable of reaching 66% in 30 minutes and fully charging in just 68 minutes. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 FE supports 25-watt wired charging with power delivery and quick charge 2.0, achieving 50% charge in 30 minutes, which is slower compared to the A36. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 FE offers 15-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, features not available in the Galaxy A36. Overall, the Galaxy A36 excels in battery capacity and charging speed, while the Galaxy S24 FE provides more versatile charging options. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A36 offers solid performance and good value, making it a great choice for everyday use and those on a budget. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE provides more advanced features, better camera quality, and a smoother overall experience, ideal for users looking for higher-end capabilities. Both phones have their strengths depending on what you need most. Whether it's affordability or cutting-edge technology, be sure to consider your priorities before making a decision. For the latest prices, check the Amazon links available in the description below.